Italy is a live art gallery, a treasure house of huge amount of cultural values. Since ancient times, Italian craftsmen have been creating real masterpieces made of wood, stone, precious gems and metals. Italy has been traditionally famous for its jewelry. Tricks of the trade were passed on from generation to generation. Gold was always of special value for Italian craftsmen. There was a belief that this precious metal has an inherited link with human body and spirit. Gold was valued for its similarity to the color of the sun that bestows life on earth. Today, after many centuries, the Italian golden jewelry is an example of high standards alongside with its variety, quality and style. Although the manufacturing technologies are owned to perfection, many craftsmanship secrets have not been unveiled yet. A unique technology of manufacturing hollow chains was invented in Italy more than 50 years ago in the past century. Lucente, an Italian factory established in 1985, was one of the first factories which began to use such chain manufacturing technology. Hollow chains produced at the factory were of considerable size, high caratage, and had a small weight at the same time. In the course of time, the advantages of hollow chain manufacturing were appreciated in other countries too. Many wanted to adopt the best jewelry manufacturing practices. PL-Lucente LLC, a joint venture, was established in 2008. Thus, the history of the PL-Lucente factory in Russia began. The factory was built based on the Italian technologies, the quality control system was set up, and the employees were trained by the Italian craftsmen. In as little as 1 year after the thorough preparations for the production launch, a production line for manufacturing hollow gold chains and bracelets was delivered from Italy to the Russian jewelry factory. Today, after 5 years of successful operation, PL-Lucente is among the 3 leading manufacturers of hollow gold chains in Russia. PL-Lucente jewelries are successfully distributed in 200 cities in Russia. Among the company's partners are the Moscow Jewelry Factory, the 585 Jewelry Retail Chain, Jade Gold Jewelry Saloons, and many others, in the aggregate owning more than 200,000 retail stores. The overall production output has been continuously growing. In 2012, an average monthly output of the jewelry factory was around 150 kilograms of jewelry items. PL-Lucente gold chains enjoy well-deserved popularity in the Russian market and are acknowledged to have been in compliance with the best world standards. The factory produces gold hollow diamond cut chains using assayed gold and products, which is acknowledged by the hallmark of the Russian assay chamber. PL-Lucente is the only company in Russia to possess a unique hollow chain manufacturing technology of the Italian craftsmen. The factory is equipped with modern Italian high-tech machines, enabling to ensure the highest product quality. It is the cohesive teamwork of highly qualified specialists and the efficiency of the production process that ensure the quality of products and the speed of production. Previously, the experienced craftsmen needed many hours of thorough work to make gold jewelry. Now, smart machines need just a few minutes to do it. The production process begins with the preparations of ligature, 375, 585 or 750 gold alloys. Then, casting is performed to produce special wire that will be used further for the manufacturing of gold chains. PL-Lucente specialists succeed to achieve maximum homogeneity of cast rods in terms of their mechanical and physical properties. The indicator of proper quality workmanship is a smooth, glistening rod, without any traces of oxidation. At each production stage, the PL-Lucente products undergo strict control using the microscopes installed at almost all the production sections. In order to provide the wire with required physical and decorative properties, it should be preliminarily rolled and drawn through a wire drawing machine. To recover physical properties, it is regularly tempered. Required density, diameter, and form of section are imparted to the wire. Only thereafter, the processes of chaining and soldering of chain links begin. Operator skills are of great importance at this stage. The PL-Lucente factory master controls the settings of the machines with maximum accuracy, maintaining the dimensions of the manufactured chain within the set limits. Each machine is intended for individual type of chains and wire diameter. The factory manufactures 19 types of chaining. PL-Lucente masters follow strict operation standards using high-tech equipment and achieve high quality of work at this stage thanks to the regular upgrading of their skills. Then, the soldering process follows. The chain surfaces are processed with appropriate solutions before soldering, and then they are fed to the conveyor oven to be exposed under high temperatures to produce a strong chain. After checking the strength of it, the item arrives to the hammering section. At this stage, the required dimensions are provided to the chain. Then, diamond cutting of the gold chains is performed, which is one of the most difficult aspects of the chain production process, because a diamond pattern is applied to the very thin surface of the 0.1 mm thick chain. Therefore, all errors made during the previous stages can be detected at this section. As mentioned above, thanks to the thorough control during the entire production process, the diamond cutting at Lucente is done seamlessly. Along with the traditional gold chains, the PL-Lucente factory manufactures bicolor rhodonized chains. These chains are produced using a unique technology, enabling to create the rhodium coating of the highest quality. In the end of the production process, all chains are cleaned, polished, and processed with a polishing paste. After the polishing, a finishing wash of the items is performed using special shampoos. The finished products are dispatched to the warehouse, packed, and delivered to the company's partners. Year by year, the network of PL-Lucente partners has been covering more and more cities of Russia. A functional internet portal has been established to provide a more convenient cooperation. The cooperation with the leading Italian manufacturers of machines and equipment intended for the production of hollow gold chains, as well as sustainable orders, enable PL-Lucente to look to the future with optimism. The company plans to expand the geography of partners not only in Russia, but also abroad. At the moment, PL-Lucente is one of the largest manufacturers of hollow gold chains in Russia. Among the main priorities of the company are quality, order performance dates, and pricing. The highest technology process level, up-to-date equipment, world-class specialists, all these enable PL-Lucente to confirm the declared priorities. The product range has been renewed on a regular basis. By purchasing the PL-Lucente chains, one can be absolutely confident in the highest quality of the goods.